Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Snapchat username before 1 year. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Head over to your Bitmoji and head over to the settings. And here you can see an option username and head over to it as you want to change your username. If you have already changed your username, you know that Snapchat doesn't allow you to change your username till the next year or till 1 year. So all you need to do is go back and scroll down until you see an option, privacy policy or help center. Head over to help center and here search for I want to change my username before 1 year. Please help me or something like that. And Snapchat will allow you to change your username within 1 year or before 1 year. Hope so Snapchat will reach to you, and if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.